Is your TikTok account ready to make you some big cash? Are you interested in learning how to make $5,000 per week with TikTok affiliate marketing? If so, I've made a video just for you. Welcome back to Cash Collect. Even if you know nothing about affiliate marketing, I will teach you everything you need to know to start making money right away. Listen carefully because I don't want you to miss a single money-making tip in the next 5 minutes. Let's jump right in. Predisc AI, a terrific AI-powered tool that can generate short videos and posts for social media in only a few seconds, will be the game-changing tool we'll be using for today's approach. No longer will you need to invest many hours into coming up with concepts, writing scripts, filming, and editing your material. Predisc makes it easy to produce films and social media postings that are both interesting and polished. The best feature of this program is how simple it is to use. You don't need to be tech smart to master the app's interface and start producing material that will have your followers click over to your website. Predisc is a must-have whether you're just getting started with online content creation or if you want to boost your social media profile. If you want to build a dedicated fan base that will support you on your way to success, this is the tool for you. This is why we've decided to use Predisc today. Step 1. Join Predisc. Okay, let's jump right into Predisc. To begin, visit app.predisc.ai, where the registration form will be waiting for you. Enter your email address and establish a secure password. This will ensure that you receive any updates or notifications for the app and prevent you from missing out. When you're ready, click the Sign Up button and check your email for a confirmation message. To activate your account and gain access to the app, click the verification link sent to your email. Let's check out the dashboard and its features now that you've logged in. In this section, you'll find the app's most impressive capabilities. Don't be hesitant to try out new things and dive deep into the app's features. After all, that's the whole point of using it in the first place, to let your imagination run wild and give your films a professional edge. Step 2. Make some content. The time for content production has arrived. To begin, consider a subject about which you are enthusiastic and would enjoy writing. Let's imagine you're a travel buff who wants to make a film outlining the 5 best attractions in the Maldives. This is a great way to grab your audience's attention and show off your imagination. To begin, launch Predisc. Then navigate to your content library by clicking the gear icon in the app's toolbar's upper right corner. After doing so, a new page will load where you can type in your topic of choice. For the purposes of this film, though, we will stick with top 5 places to visit in the Maldives. Input and output can simply be set to English. You have the option of producing a single image, a carousel, or a full-fledged video. After providing the necessary information and choosing the desired content type, all you have to do to have Predisc craft a post of professional quality is click the Generate Post button. That's pretty cool, huh? Step 3. Find ways to make money off of your TikTok videos. The next step after making videos with Predisc is to publish them online. Short-form video material may be easily shared on TikTok, and the site is also a fantastic location to attract a dedicated audience that shares your passions. You may begin using TikTok immediately by signing up for an account. Using popular hashtags and contacting other TikTok users who share your passion for travel will increase your chances of getting discovered and growing your following. As your channel's subscriber base grows, you'll be able to monetize it by recommending and advertising travel-related affiliate products. Earning money online through the promotion of products you believe in is possible through affiliate marketing. Also, you may add value for your followers by suggesting items that would enhance their trips. Let's imagine you want to spread the word to your TikTok fans about a particular brand of baggage you adore. you can become an affiliate of the brand by signing up for their affiliate program and receiving a special link to use in your TikTok videos. If any of your followers use your referral link to make a purchase, you'll get a cut of the proceeds. With affiliate marketing, you may earn money by promoting other people's goods and services. Instead, you might earn money by promoting goods and services in which you have a real interest and enthusiasm. You and the business you're advertising stand to gain equally from this arrangement. TikTok affiliate marketing just requires you to get creative with your videos, grow your audience, and start making money. Step 4. Look for affiliate programs that you may sign up for. Therefore, research is the first step if you want to uncover travel affiliate programs relevant to the Maldives and monetize your TikTok content. Start by doing a search on your preferred search engine for Maldives travel affiliate programs or something to that effect. Numerous travel-related affiliate programs for the Maldives can be found on the web. When you've located some promising affiliate programs, it's time to join them. Creating an account with an affiliate network typically involves providing personal details like name and email address. You may also be asked for details about your TikTok account, such as the number of followers you have and how often your videos are viewed. After signing up, you'll be given a special affiliate link to use in your videos on TikTok and other platforms. If your followers are interested in purchasing travel-related goods and services, they can do so through this affiliate link. Always keep in mind that if you want to make money off of your TikTok videos through affiliate marketing, you need to give your viewers something of value. If you do this, your followers are more likely to respect you and stick with you. Also, there's something crucial to affiliate marketing that I want to make sure you know about. Verify that those who may be interested in purchasing what you're selling can really use it. If you start pushing products on them that don't resonate with them, they may start to doubt your expertise and reliability. Trust, after all, is the bedrock of any healthy relationship, virtual or otherwise. If you want to be successful in affiliate marketing, you need to promote things in which you have faith. You shouldn't push an item on your audience if you wouldn't use it or recommend it to a friend. Keep in mind that your fans are counting on you for advice and suggestions, so you should always be truthful, genuine, and considerate of their requirements. In the end, you'll be rewarded with a dedicated following that looks up to you and respects what you have to say. Although I use a trip example today, this concept is applicable to many other fields as well, such as the culinary arts, fitness, and many others. Choose a niche that piques your curiosity and runs with it. Your genuine enthusiasm for the subject matter will shine through in your writing, drawing in readers more quickly. We hope you enjoyed the video, but now that it's over, what did you think? Leave your comments down below and don't forget to hit that like button. Also, click subscribe if you enjoyed the video and want to see more from us in the future. By the way, we also have a video on how to earn money just by copying and pasting. So if you're interested in doing that, click the tab presented on your screens. Thank you for taking the time to watch this.